Start. The short point for decision in this appeal is whether a decree can be passed on a petition for mutual divorce under Section 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 when one of the petitioners withdraws consent to such decree prior to the passing of such decree. In the instant case, the appellant husband was married to the respondent wife on 22nd June 1985 according to Hindu rites on account of differences between them. They took a decision to obtain a decree of mutual divorce, which resulted in the filing of a joint petition for divorce under Section 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 (bracket open), hereinafter referred to as the Act (bracket close) on 4th September 2004. The same was registered as civil suit number 167 of 2004 as required under the provisions of Section 13B of the aforesaid Act. The learned additional district judge Jabalpur fixed the date for consideration of the petition after 6 months so as to give the parties time to reconsider their decision. On 7th March 2005, after the expiry of 6 months, the learned additional district judge Jabalpur took up the matter in the presence of both the parties who were present in the court, while the appellant husband reiterated his earlier stand that a decree of mutual divorce should be passed on account of the fact that it was not possible for the parties to live together. On behalf of the respondent wife, it was submitted that despite serious differences which had arisen between them, she did not want the marriage ties to be dissolved. On account of withdrawal of consent by the respondent wife, the learned judge dismissed the joint petition under Section 13B of the Act. Aggrieved by the order dated 17th March 2005, passed by the learned additional district judge Jabalpur, the appellant filed an appeal under Section 28 of the Act in the High Court of Madhya Pradesh at Jabalpur, and the same was registered as first appeal number 323 of 2005. Even before the High Court, the respondent wife expressed her desire to live separately from the appellant, but she did not want that a decree of dissolution of marriage be passed. In that view of the matter, by his order dated 21st March 2007, the learned single judge dismissed the first appeal. While dismissing the appeal, the learned single judge took note of the decision of this court in similar circumstances in the case of Ashok Srivastav versus Rupa Srivastav, wherein this court granted a decree of mutual divorce by exercising its extraordinary powers under Article 142 of the Constitution of India. It was indicated that the High Court did not have such powers, and Section 13B required that the consent of the spouse on the basis of which the petition under Section 13B was presented had to continue till a decree of divorce was passed by mutual consent. On that basis, the learned single judge of the High Court, while dismissing the appeal, observed that the appellant would be free to file a petition of divorce in accordance with law, which would be decided on its own merits by keeping in mind the special fact that the parties were living separately for about 5 years and the respondent wife was adamant about living apart from her husband. Stop.